always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hello, and welcome back to the Fish Tank, guys. I am Cole, and today we are doing a commission for my grandmother, this late 90s Dodge Viper. And today, we're going to turn this thing into an everyday track car. Let's jump into it.
Like we said in the intro, today we were working on another one of my grandma's cars that she requested. We have this 2000, I'd say probably like 3 or 4 Dodge Viper, and today we're gonna make it into a track car, and it's gonna be a very simple build. All we are doing is switching the wheels to these these NASCAR slicks, changing the paint, adding some Cuda's Diecast Customs logos and stickers, and putting it all back together. Very simple build and very doable as well. Should be a very fun and quick one today. So what I'm going to first do is, if anything, we're going to drop the body right into the thing. We're going to shake it up, and we're going to put it to the side. Now we're going to get onto this and start taking this apart. So like I was saying before, this is what we got. We got 2 simple wheels that we're just going to pop out, and then we're just going to flip them with these NASCAR wheels. Just replace it. I think they should just, they should just snap in. Yeah, they're going to. So how we're going to do this is very simple. I'm going to grind this piece out with the grinder as best I can. Slip these in, and then they're going to be beautiful. Not these, obviously, but these. Slip them in, glue them, and we'll be on our day. So to clarify, after what you guys just saw, the whole axle assembly part was cut out, and these slipped right in, and we just added a little bit of Gorilla Glue to keep these wheels in there. So that was a very cool and easy touch. Now we just gotta wait for the paint to get peeled off, and we're gonna start freaking designing this car. Like I said, this is a very fun and simple build. Let's move on. Alright guys, for this part of the video, so as you see here, the car is out of the stripper, and it looks very clean. That is because your boy got ahead of himself before recording, like always, and cleaned up the body. So I didn't just brush it with the wire wheel, I also sanded down the edges. This car was disgusting. So these flares here were over with a body line. So was on the fender. You can kind of still see them. I'm not 100% done. See, like right there, you can kind of see it. But this was nasty. It was from like this door line of the hood down to here. It was the same on this side too. You can see I shaved the bumper a little bit too far on this side. And then also on the back, if you can tell, I did the trunk lid. I'm not done with it yet because you can still see it here. But this is all going to be gone. And there was a line here that was really bad. I got to smooth this out. But other than that, this casting looks pretty freaking good. And also, if you agree, I think these freaking race car tires that we put on it earlier look fantastic. Alright guys, I'm going to finish bodywork on this thing, and then we're going to move on to paint. I'll see you in a minute.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
So guys, we are back from the paint booth, and as you see here, the Viper is painted in the exact same blue that we did the Christmas giveaway car in. I thought it would be appropriate to use this blue because I liked it. I didn't really like the light blue that I normally use for these kind of builds, so I took a bit of a different and more fancy route. Now guys, we gotta work on details, and then we're gonna work on decals, then we're gonna put this car back together. I'll see you over there.
Move on to our final assembly. So, as you see here, we did our glass and added our Diecast graveyard sticker to the top. Next, we're going to move on to the body. As you see here, it's all painted up, covered in Cuda's Diecast Customs logos, and details have been put in the grille and in the taillights. Looking very, very cool. This one was a pretty fun one. I did enjoy it. Just so you guys know, it was really fun. Next, we're going to move on to the wheels. As you guys remember, we did use the racing slicks. They're looking very, very cool. And this car does, in fact, roll, which is very, very cool. And lastly, we are looking at our interior. Didn't do anything to it. Didn't think it was necessary. So if you guys remember, this is what we started with. We started with this late 90s Dodge Viper. It was pretty good conditions for the way it was, but I thought it needed a little bit of spice. And everything's nice. So guys, remember, this is what we started with. Now, let's go see what we finished with. I'll see you over there. Boom! Here is our final results for the late 90s Dodge Viper track car. Commissioned for my grandma. So, I think it turned out pretty cool. It was a pretty basic casting, but I thought it just needed a little bit more. And I believe I added that little bit more. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This car was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to be making more videos this coming summer. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one.